Hey everyone, it's me Shirley. How are you doing? So today I'm going to unbox my new power bank. This is Juice Long Weekender power bank. So let's open it together. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and give me a thumbs up. So this is high capacity portable battery with 13,000 mAh of power, 2.1A output to charge tablets and smartphones, ideal for mini holidays and long weekends away. Charge 2 devices at a time. Press the button to reveal the digital display and remaining energy levels. Anti-slip coating. Available in a choice of colors and free 1-year warranty. Charge time 7 to 8 hours. Standby time around 6 months. Cycle life around 500 charges. Battery cell LG lithium ion. Power capacity 13,000 mAh. Size 130 by 75 by 22 mm. Weight 293 grams. Input micro USB. Output DC5V 1A and 2.1A. Total 2.4A max. Wow, I love the display, really high tech. Decent looking power bank. It feels good when you touch it. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye bye.